Hey guys, alright, so today we're going to bring a code from GitHub into Eclipse and start working on it. So you should already have made your account on github.com and you should be logged in over there. And you also need to have Git installed from the command line. To check whether you have it, you can type Git. If it gives you a bunch of options like this, then you have it installed. Otherwise, there's a link in the previous section to get installed. Alright, so right under this video, you'll see the link that you need to my repository. What you're going to do when you get here is fork it. So what forking does is it's going to give you your own version of this code so that then you can add to it and make it your own. So just come on here to GitHub and click fork. You won't see this option. This is just because I work on a bunch of different projects. You'll see it doing this copying thing. And then this is your own forked copy of my repository. So GitHub is a website that displays code, Git, and there's a few other tools that engineers use to manage code. Those are so that multiple engineers can collaborate on the same code, and also so that there are backups in case you mess something up, you can always roll back. But what we're mainly interested in here is developing a portfolio for each of you so that when you go and get a job, you can show that you've written some code. That's the first thing that they're gonna probably ask for, is your GitHub link. Okay, so you've just forked this, and the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to clone it onto your machine. That means copy the code down, and this green button will give you the link. Just clicking here to copy it, and then I'm gonna open my terminal and see where I'm at. For me, I've got an Eclipse workspace that I'm keeping everything in, so I'm gonna clone my repository in there with the command git clone, and then paste the repository URL. Okay, so now I have that. Lesson 2. Spoiler alert, there might be some more lessons coming. And next I'm going to import that into Eclipse. So you can use file import. Here I'm going to right click so you can see what's going on. When you open yours, it'll be like this. You want to open general and select existing projects into workspace. And then here select the place that you downloaded your stuff to. So mine is an Eclipse workspace, lesson 2. And then finish. Okay, I've got a working set active here, so that's a little more advanced. I just have to add it, but you will see lesson 2 immediately show up here on the left. And source is where the stuff is. So I've organized this into 3 packages. We'll probably keep this same pattern for the next lessons. The examples are going to be the things that I'm talking you through on the videos, and then the exercises are the things that you need to complete. Optional, it's really up to you how far you want to go with these, or if you feel completely confident with the topic we're on, you can ignore them, but you should keep working on the optional exercises until you feel confident that you have whatever it is down. Okay, so I'm just gonna actually summarize. That was kind of a lot of information. So what you're gonna do first is fork the lesson 2 repository on GitHub. So you will be logged into your GitHub account online, and then fork lesson 2. Then use git from the command line to clone your version of lesson 2, and then import lesson 2 project into Eclipse. Okay, have a go with that. Good luck. Talk soon.